Hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Mon Outdoors. I am once again at my hunting property. I was just walking around trying to do a little small game hunt, and just nothing's moving right now this afternoon. So it's getting a little chilly, so I'm going to come back to the truck and I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to make some kind of Asian noodle chicken soup with some vegetables. So as always, I've got my Pathfinder canteen cook set here, and I've got water in my canteen. I got some vegetable oil. I've got a little bit of onion, garlic, and pepper. I'm going to cut that up and put it in my Stanley 2-bowl cook set. So I'm going to use that pot to make it. I've got this packet of noodles that I used in one of my other videos. The package came with 2 packets of noodles. This is the second package, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to add in some chunk chicken breast to it, and I've got some chicken bouillon to flavor the water. I'm going to do that. I've also got some soy sauce packets, so I'm going to try to make this like a Asian noodle chickeny flavor kind of thing. So I just figure I'd throw this together and kind of warm up a little bit, because it was warmer today, but then it got colder as the day went on. So I'm going to go ahead and, as always, get my trusty Coleman stove lit, and then we'll start cutting up these vegetables and getting them in the pot and start cooking. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, so I've opened up my 2-bowl cook set, so I took it out. I've got the handle locked right here, so this is good to go. I'm just going to put that on the side here, and I'm going to use these cutting boards that come with the Stanley cook set here. So I'm just going to start cutting up my peppers, and for that I'm going to use my Mora knife here. I've got my little Ranger band on there that I added, so I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to cut up some pepper into strips. So I'm going to cut right down the side of this pepper like this. Get that off. I'm just going to get rid of the center part of the pepper. I don't clean that up. Get off these seeds. I don't need those. There you go. Now I'm just going to cut this into strips, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this into chunks and just kind of put that into the pot. I'm just going to kind of fry that up a little bit, I guess, before I put the noodles and the water in. So just drop these seeds on the ground here. That's perfectly fine. But yeah, I picked up this Mora knife. Gosh, I think at a gun show not too long ago, and I really like it. I haven't done a lot to it like some folks have, like turning into a survival kit with, putting on, paracord or a piece of ferro rod and kind of make it into like a whole survivor kit. I haven't done that yet. I may do that in one of my videos. I've seen a lot of them online, obviously. So I thought, yeah, I could do that. Why not? So, all right. I'm going to get these peppers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bowl right here that comes with the Stanley cook set. So after I chop up that pepper, I'm just going to drop those in there. That's awesome. I don't know. Do I need a little bit more pepper than that? I don't know. I mean, just a little bowl of soup for me. That should be fine. So, all right, I'll save this for. I'll take that back home with me. So, all right, this onion. Let me go ahead and cut this onion. Just rip that off. Drop these. Skin it. No problem right there. Take that skin off. It's perfectly fine. All right, I'll just drop that. Cut this in half. I know I'm sure there's some fancy way that some chef's like, no, don't do it. Don't cut the onion that way. Well, I just do it my way, and that's good enough for me and my recipes. So, all right, so I got this onion right here. Let's see, I don't need a lot. I'm not a huge onion fan, so maybe I'll just cut it down the side like that, and then I'll just take this piece of skin off. See if I can cut that. Yep, that's good. It's all right. Get that. Alright, and then I'll just, I'm just going to cut this into strips like this. And I'm just going to chop. Alright, I don't want to cut myself on camera. That would be embarrassing, so let me just chop that. Alright, close enough for government work, so we'll go ahead and add that. Okay. Again, I'll save that onion. I'll bring it back with me home. And then garlic. Peel that off. I'm going to get a clove out of here real quick. Well, there we go. I'll just take one. That should be good. I'll do it like the fancy they do on TV, right? They smash it like that, right? There you go. Boom. All right. So, there. smash it, and then I'll just cut it up. Okay, I'll just take off that end piece. Alright, cut it. There we go. Cool. A little chopped garlic. Alright, I'm just going to scrape that in. Alright. Perfect. There I got a little onion, green pepper, and garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this into, first let me get the stove lit, get the oil heated up, and then I'm going to add these, cook up these vegetables before I add the rest of the ingredients. So let me go ahead and get the stove started, and then as soon as that's up and ready and the oil's heating up, I'll bring you right back. Alright, that's pretty good. We get the stove going. It's getting blue. It's a little bit yellow, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and lock the handle on my Stanley bowl here. So I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to take a little bit of my Crisco vegetable oil, and I'm just going to kind of cook up this mixture. Just a little. That's good. Alright. Give that a minute to heat up. It won't take long. We'll do a little test. Alright, we're ready. Perfect. Just going to add vegetables. Stir those around. Alright, turn the gas down. So I'm going to let those just kind of cook the garlic, onion, and pepper. Just let it soften up. Add it. Then I'll add the rest of some of my ingredients. So I'm going to add, like I said, the chicken, the water, and I'll add some chicken bouillon stock there. Let's see. Okay, so that's heating up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken. Again, this is just Walmart chicken breast. I'm just going to pop the top. I'm going to drain it off screen. I don't want to add the liquid because I'll be adding other water in there. So. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and drop the chicken into the pot. Get these pieces out. Okay, good. Make sure we take that and throw it out. I'm not going to leave that here at the property. All right. Get chicken broken up. Perfect. So again, and everything everything I'm doing today, right? You can take with you on the trail. It's easy camping, right? Can of chicken, some green pepper, some onion, some garlic. That'll last. So again, it's just something that's easy and good. And like I said, that noodle package. Show you that they're already cooked and they're already sealed in this package. When you bought it, I bought it at Lidl, and it comes with 2 of these. So that should be fine. And then the chicken bouillon, I think I got this at the dollar store. And you just, if you had a measuring spoon, you just add a little. I'm just going to shake some in to the water when I add it. And we should make a really good broth. Okay, stir that. Okay, I'm going to let that go. I'm going to let that go and let that cook, and then as soon as I'm ready to add some other ingredients, I'll bring y'all right back. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some of my soy sauce packets. So again, soy sauce packets, just kind of dump those in. One. Let's see. I'm gonna do 2. Okay. 3. Okay. Add those soy packets in. Stir that around. Let it start cooking with that flavor. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and add. Let's pop this open. Take my Pathfinder canteen. I've got my water in here, so I'm going to add some water. And I'm just going by eye. I'm going to fill it up so it just covers the chicken. I think that's a good amount. And then I'm just going to give it a touch more. Should be good. Close this up. Okay, so I'm going to take some chicken bouillon. And I'm just going to sprinkle. I mean, it gives you directions on the side of the package. You know, it says 1 teaspoon dissolve for 1 cup water for 1 cup of broth. I'm going to sprinkle a little in, just like this. Good. Let's mix that around. Perfect. This is just going to be a nice hearty soup. Okay. Let's bring this to a boil. As soon as this starts to boil, then I'm going to open up my noodles and add those back in, and we'll taste the broth and make sure that it has that little chicken flavor with the soy sauce. So as soon as that starts boiling, I'll bring you right back.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from our sponsors. First of all, Slammer Series Turkey Calls. They're made by a hunter for a hunter. And if you're interested in getting a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas. If you're looking for pool or spa needs, please give them a call. And Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientist.com or call 919-685-7641. If you're interested in NC Piedmont Outdoors or Slammer Series apparel, please visit our store on Teespring. The link is available in the description box.
All right, everybody, so we've got this on a boil right now. I put the lid on it to help it keep that heat in and boil a little faster. Okay, so I'm going to give this a stir. Oh, come on, stove, don't let me down now. All right, have to relight it. Yep, need a relight. There we go. There we go. Yep, the stove has been giving me some issues, and one of my subscribers gave me some advice about cleaning out the stove and taking this apart and or running some liquid heat through it, and kind of cleaning it out. So gave me some advice there. So I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to need to, because it keeps just getting that backfiring. So, but I appreciate the subscriber who sent me that information. Thanks for that. I appreciate it. Yeah, you can hear it. See, it's backfiring a little bit. So, all right. Anyway, this water is boiling pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up our noodles, and I'm just going to go in and add these noodles into that broth. Just rip this off. Add the noodles right in. Perfect. Those noodles. Now, obviously, the noodles are already cooked, so we're really just kind of heating them up. And then as you add it, as it warms up, it'll break up that block. So we'll have. There we go. We'll stir. Get that water boiling again. Let's see. It's still lit, so. wow, looks on a cold day like this, after kind of walking around a little, you're not seeing anything from a small game standpoint. Didn't see any squirrels or anything else. So the temperature's dropping as the sun's going down here, so it is getting a bit chilly. But this is going to be a real nice hearty kind of meal. I don't know exactly what I would call this, right? It's like I said, it's Asian noodles with some chicken and vegetables. I'm going to add a little more soy sauce. And the last packet, I brought a little Tabasco sauce just for a little bit of a kick. So I'm going to add that in. Just touch. There we go. Little Tabasco packet. Cool. And I'll stir that around. There. Settle down now. Oops, spill a little bit. Okay, let's see. I mean, it smells amazing. It looks just like it's going to be a nice hearty bowl of soup. I mean, if you can look at that right there. Plenty of chicken, noodles, the vegetables, and looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on, bring that back to a boil, and then I think we can call this one done. So I'll play with the stove here, make sure it doesn't blow out again. And as soon as I'm ready to eat, I'll just bring it back for a taste test. All right, so this is boiling away. I'm going to take the lid off here. I've cleaned up a little bit around the cook site here. I'm just going to kind of show you that. Absolutely delicious. I mean, that is just perfect. That chicken broth, the noodles, the vegetables. On a cold day like this is going to be absolutely perfect to eat. So I'm going to use my Pathfinder TI titanium spork. And you know what? I'm just going to taste this right out of the bowl while you're there. I'm just going to go ahead and shut off my stove and go ahead and taste this and just get some broth and some noodle. And this is just going to be delicious. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is absolutely amazing. I mean, this is just absolutely a full meal. I brought a container from home because I knew I wouldn't be able to eat all this today. But, boy, when it's cold, there's nothing better than having some warm kind of Asian chicken noodle soup, I guess you'd call this. But it was absolutely delicious. There's more than enough here for me. This could have definitely been a meal for 2 people on the trail. So it's great. But, all right, I'm going to go and try to eat some of this before I head home for the day. So, again, thanks, everybody, for watching. If you have any comments, please drop them in there. I'm always looking for comments or some recipes you might want me to try. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like button. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. At this point, when I'm playing this video, or recording this video, I should say, we are at 96 subscribers. So, you know, just over a year or so, 2 years that we've been doing this now. Yeah, just about 2 years we've been doing this. Got 96 subscribers. So, you know, this is all organic. I'm just trying to put out these videos because they're fun for me. I like making them. I like hearing the comments. I like watching other people's videos. I subscribe to a lot of other people doing this kind of stuff. So it's just really great fun. I really enjoy it. So if you like it, you know, and you can help out the channel, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Again, if I hit 100 subscribers, to me, that's kind of a pretty cool goal. So I'm going to try to give away something to one of my subscribers. If you publicly subscribe, I'm going to go ahead and try to do a little bit of a giveaway or something. So please check out my Teespring site for merchandise if you like a nice t-shirt, hat, something like that. If you're interested in Slammer Series turkey calls or merchandise, please go see slammerseries.com. Also, there's some hooded sweatshirts and some teacups and some stuff on my Teespring site as well. So, again, appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for the likes. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Channel, you know, I'm really looking forward to adding more subscribers. So please go ahead and help us out if you like it, and we'll get another video for you soon. Thanks.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.